Every time you start a new React project, the same question that come up: which UI library should you actually use? There are a load of options out there, and honestly it can get overwhelming, and some are great for speed, other for flexibility, and a few are just built for a very specific use cases. So in this video, I'll be walking you through 10 best React UI libraries in 2026. No category, no confusion, just one that actually worth your time. So without wasting our time, let us get it started. So the first one we have, which is Material UI, or which is popularly known as MUI. This is easily one of the most popular React UI libraries out there. It follows Google Material Design System, comes with pretty much every component you can ever think of: button, modals, form, data grid, even accordions. It's essentially useful if you want something reliable and well documented. The only downside about this Material UI is that it has a very distinct look, and customizing it deeply can take a bit of effort. Next, we've got Ant Design. This is perfect if you are building dashboard, admin panels, or data heavy application. It is very polished, comes with strong TypeScript support, and has a built-in form handling. It is widely used in enterprise level applications, but similar to Material UI, it has a very strong visual style that isn't always easy to completely change. Now let's talk about Chakra UI. Chakra is all about developer experience. It uses simple style props, which means you can build interface really quickly without tons of CSS. What makes it stand out is flexibility. It doesn't force a specific design style on you, so you can fully customize your UI without fighting the library. Moving on, we have Shaped UN, and this one is a bit different. Instead of installing it like a typical library, you actually copy the component code directly into your project. That means you own everything. Every line of code, you can customize it however you like without any limitation. It is modern, clean, and probably one of the most popular choice right now in the tech market space, especially when paired with Tailwind CSS. So speaking of Tailwind, let's look at Dicey UI. So Dicey UI basically sits on top of Tailwind and give you pre-built component classes. So instead of writing long utility class string, you can just use simple name like btn or card. It speeds things up a lot, especially if you want to keep using Tailwind but reduce repetition. Next, you have Headless UI. I know it sounds funny, right? But this tool is built by Tailwind team, and this one doesn't come with any styling at all. Instead, it gives you fully access components, things like modals, drop down, and menu, and also accordions, navigation bar, and a lot of components you can ever think of, and you can style them however you like. It handles all the complex behavior like keyboard navigation and accessibility, while you stay in full control of the design. Now if you want even more control, check out React Arial. This library focuses entirely on accessibility and behaviors. It gives you logic behind components, things like focus management and screen reader support, but leaves the UI completely up to you. React Arial is incredibly good and also powerful, especially for building fully custom design system. Another strong option is Radix UI. So Radix UI provide low-level UI primitives such as dialog, tooltips, and drop-down that can combine to build your own components. It is very flexible and work perfectly if you want a clean and scalable foundation for your UI. In fact, library like Shade UN are built on top of Radix. Now let's talk about a newer player, Base UI. So Base UI is gaining a lot of attention in the tech industry right now. It's unstyled, accessible, and work with any styling approach you prefer: Tailwind, CSS module, and even plain CSS. It's built by the same people behind some major UI tools, but not Tailwind UI. So you definitely want to keep an eye on moving forward. So finally on the list, you have Mantin. So if your goal is speed, Mantin is brilliant. It's come with a massive collection of components plus useful hooks for things like local storage, media queries, and also debunking. It's basically an all-in-one toolkit that help you build fast without even needing a bunch of extra libraries. So as a quick bonus, there is a React admin if you are building admin dashboard or even CRUD application. This is more than just a UI library, it's a full framework. So this React admin handles authentication, data fetching, and also backend integration out of the box. Say you want to build admin tools quickly, this can save you a lot of time. So there you have it, the 10 of the best React UI libraries in 2026. Each of it has its own strengths, and a best choice depends really on what exactly you are building. So if you want full control, you can simply go for Radix or React Arial. If you want speed, Martin is a great option, and if you want something balanced, Chakra UI or Shading UI at solid peak. So if you found this helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which UI libraries are you using in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.